Today, we are going to talk about multiplying and dividing word problems. Before we begin, we will need to discuss some important vocabulary. Let's get started. The first term you should know is the word variable. A variable is used to represent a missing part. Common variables used are an X or a box. In this video, I will use a shell to represent the unknown variable. The second term you will need to know is the acronym SEAL. S is for show your work. E, write the equation. A, answer. L, label. Following these steps ensures I won't miss something when solving. You might use something similar at your school. For this video, we will use SEAL. Let's use SEAL to solve the word problem together. Sammy the seal collects shells Monday through Friday. This week he collected 45 shells. How many shells did he collect on Monday if he collects the same amount each day? The first step is to show my work. I will do this by underlining the important information. To further show my work, I'm going to draw an array. I know that Sammy has a total of 45 shells. I also know that he collects them 5 days a week because our problem says Monday through Friday. I'm going to start by making 5 columns or groups. I know that Sammy has a total of 45 shells. I will share those shells by placing them in each column. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Now, I can easily see the number of shells Sammy collected each day. Sammy collected 9 seashells. Even though I showed my work and found the answer, I still need to write an equation and a label. I know the equation is a division sentence because I started with the total and shared to find a small part. 45 shared by 5 days equals the number of shells collected each day. The unknown is 9. There were 9 shells collected on Monday. Did you know clownfish and sea anemones are symbiotic? This means they help each other survive. Clownfish provide food and anemones provide shelter. Speaking of clownfish, how many clownfish live in this area if there are 6 anemones and 3 clownfish living in each? First, I am going to show my work by highlighting and drawing a picture to match. There are 6 groups of anemones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 3 fish in each. That is 6 groups of 3. Equal groups of 3 tells me that this is a multiplication equation. 6 times 3 equals the total number of fish. There are 18 fish total. When solving word problems, it is a good idea to have a strategy. Using the acronym SEAL ensures I don't forget an important step when solving challenging word problems. Happy solving!